there, my ChronoFeather crew! Tibo here, ready for another amazing adventure. Today, we're going to zoom into the wondrous world of magnets. Did you know magnets have an invisible power that can pull on some metals like magic? It's a super cool force that helps us in so many ways. Let's learn all about them.
Tibo the Toucan flies so high, swinging through the lush blue sky. Birds of legs dance around, joyful laughs, we've got what we found.
Stay with me till the end, crew. There are surprise worksheets waiting for you after our episode today. Magnets have a special invisible power, but what do they pull on? Do they pull on fluffy clouds, yummy bananas, or shiny paper clips? Let's see. Magnets love to pull on things made of certain metals, like those shiny paper clips. All right, my ChronoFeather crew, it's time to activate my ChronoFeathers and zoom through time and space. Hold on to your seats because we're about to make a magnetic jump. Whoa, my ChronoFeathers brought us to a super cool science lab filled with amazing experiments. Look at all these wires and shiny metal bits. It looks like we've arrived just in time to learn about how magnets truly work and why they pull on some things but not others. Look at this! Inside some metals, there are tiny invisible arrow friends, which are called domains. When many of these arrows all point in the same direction, like a team, they make the metal act like a super pulling magnet. The space around the magnet where all this pulling and pushing magic happens is called the magnetic field, and we can even see its invisible lines with special powder. Magnets always have two ends called poles, a north pole and a south pole. Opposite poles attract each other like best friends, while the same poles push away like they're saying, "No, thank you." This invisible force is part of the magnetic field, which surrounds every magnet and makes it special. Now for something even cooler, electromagnets. Did you know we can make a magnet just by using electricity? If you wrap a wire around a piece of iron, like a nail, and send electricity through it, poof, you get a magnet. We can even turn this magnet on and off, or make it stronger or weaker just by controlling the electricity. This is how things like big cranes that pick up cars work. Now for a Tibo challenge. Magnets are all around us, even in your home. Can you find 3 things in your house that use magnets? Maybe it's your refrigerator door, a speaker, or even a toy. Ask a grown-up to help you look and see how many magnets you can find. Oh, my rainbow ChronoFeathers! I just remembered something super old about magnets. Long ago, people found special rocks called lodestones that could pull on metal. They were like nature's first magnets. Did you know a scientist named William Gilbert even said that Earth itself is like a giant magnet in the year 1600? That's why compasses work. Magnets, strong and grand, pulling metal across the land. North and south, they always know where the invisible forces go. Electromagnets on and off, helping cranes to lift things aloft. Oh, magnets, you're a super friend. Learning about you never ends. Wow, what a magnetic adventure we had today. We learned so much about how magnets pull and push and all the cool ways they help us every day. Keep exploring the world around you, my ChronoFeather crew, because science is everywhere. Join me next time for another exciting journey. If you liked learning with me, give that like button a big peck and flap on over to subscribe so you never miss our next journey. And guess what? I've got free worksheets and activities waiting just for you at TiboTheToucan.com. So spread your wings and keep learning. I'll see you again soon.